Mr. Emerson Mnangagwa's administration has come under fire for using state funds to reward political loyalty following the distribution of Presidential Empowerment Revolving Fund to 5 ZANU-PF aligned groups in Kwekwe on Tuesday. Zanabena mashoko obuda panguwa ino achinzi there was cash reward for pastors loyal to Mnangagwa. Don't forget subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Panapa tipinda munao munoboda mushinogwa muchinzi. Among the recipients were cross-border traders for ED, vendors for ED, pastors for ED, children of Zimbabwe Liberation War Veterans Association, and hairdressers for ED, all openly aligned with the ruling party and its leader. Critics have described the move as a partisan handout disguised as empowerment. Civil society voices argue it's a clear misuse of public resources to cement political control. Speaking at the disbursement, Presidential Investment Advisor Dr. Paul Tungwarara said, "Remember, this is a revolving fund. The funding should benefit all for it to revolve. There is a need for ethical behavior. We will be sending some auditors to ensure the funding is not abused. Yet the process appears anything but inclusive. All groups selected to be Mnangagwa's initials or refer directly to ZANU-PF linked interests, raising serious questions about the legitimacy of the initiative." Midlands Minister of State Owen Mungwe defended the handout, saying the level of empowerment being enjoyed in the country is beginning to reach the grassroots. The president is indeed a man of the people who wants to see development getting to everyone. Pastors for ED National Coordinator Reverend Ilirashe Dongo welcomed the money, stating, "This initiative will help the men of God to be capacitated. This will help them focus on preaching the word of God as opposed to focusing on looking for money from the congregation." Observers, however, warn that this is a dangerous conflation of religion and politics, where the pulpit is slowly becoming a propaganda tool for the ruling elite. What was meant to be a revolving empowerment fund now appears to serve one purpose: rewarding loyalty to Mnangagwa under the veil of development. Tomashwara kuda panguwa ino vanhu vari kuataka vachiti aiwa zvavakuitwa neZANU-PF panguwa ino ichibaya vanhu panguwa ino kuchionekwa kunzi these initiatives ari kunanga kumaZANU-PF affiliated groups panguwa ino zviri kuleka legitimacy. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like pamwe chete nokuti on the bell icon.